Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, let's continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is 13th period of this chapter. And in yesterday's class, we completed the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. In today's class, we will move on to solve the additional problems from the different reference books as well as from previous year question papers. Yes, let me take one by one. Observe, here it is somewhat different. You are going to solve the equations 2 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power y is equal to 17, and second equation 2 raised to the power x plus 2 minus 3 raised to the power y plus 1, that is equal to 5. Here the terms are in exponential form. Then how to solve them? Just keep observing. You can pause in the video. You just go for copying this. After copying, please start writing with me. Okay? Yes. It is. Let's go for writing the given equations. Here 2 raised to the power x. Here also 2 raised to the power x is there. But plus 2 is additional. Hence, let us go for rewriting the second equation. Just keep observing. It is 2 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power y is equal to 17 as it is. And the second equation is 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 2. Do you know how this is? We all know that a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is a raised to the power m plus n. A raised to the power m plus n can also be written as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. In the same way, see that 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 2 minus it is 3 raised to the power y into 3 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 5. Hope that you have understood. Now, what is 2 square? Yes, you are right. It is 4. 4 into 2 raised to the power x. Clear? Minus. Next, this is 3 raised to the power 1 is 3 into 3 raised to the power y, which is equal to 5. Any doubts regarding this? Yes. Now, how do you go for solving this? Here, exponential form is there. Hence, I'll go for taking substitution for these terms. 2 raised to the power x and 3 raised to the power y, which are in common both the equations. So, by UV method, for our reference only I have written this UV method. This is let 2 raised to the power x be u and 2 raised to the power y let it be v. Then how do you write the first equation? It is u plus v, this is equal to 17. You may call it as equation 1. Did you understand? Yes. Next, another second equation. This is 4u minus 3v, this is equal to 5. You may call it as second equation. Then how do you go for solving this? Yes, by elimination method. See here, coefficient of v. Here minus 3, here 1. So that let us multiply this by 3. I'll write that here. By elimination method. Elimination method. How do you write the first equation? It is, start multiplying by 3. 3 into u, this is 3u plus 3 into v, it is 3v. And 17 3s are, this is 51. Next, second equation as it is. This is 4u minus 3v, which is equal to 5. Did you understand? Yes. Now, no need to change the sign because the coefficient of v in both the equations, it is same and opposite sign. Hence, you can go for cancelling. What is 3u plus 4u? You are right, 7u. Then 51 plus 5, this is 56. U equal to 56 by 7. U equal to 7 ones are 7 8s are. Clear? Yes. Now, let us go for finding v value by substituting u equal to 8 in which of these two equations. Let's go for taking first. The first equation is u plus v equal to 17. U plus v equal to 17. U is 8 plus v equal to 17. V equal to 17 minus 8. V equal to 9. Clear? Yes, it is. Now let us take u. U equal to 8. What is u? What we have assumed? U is 2 raised to the power x. Here, to find out the value of x, even 8 should also be expressed in the power of 2. Clear? So, how do you write? It is 2 raised to the power 3. If you do not know, you can go for this method. 2 4s are 2 2s are. How many times? 2 is 3 times. Now, bases are same. Powers x equal to 3. Understood? Next, v is equal to how much? It is 9. What is v? V is 2 raised to the power. V is 3 raised to the power y. It is 3 raised to the power y is equal to 9. Did you understand? 3 raised to the power y is equal to, how do you write 9 with a power of 3? It is 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 square. Bases are same, you can equate the powers, y equal to 2. Therefore, the solution is x is 3 and y is 2. Follow? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. If you are not if you have written with me, then let's move on to the next problem. Dear students, observe this second type. Already we have solved one problem in yesterday only with respect to this. Now once you go through that and recall the method what we had followed to find out the solution for these types of equations. Yes, you are right. It is addition-subtraction method. Is it not? Why it is so? The reason is the coefficients of x and y in both the equations are interchanged. Clear? Observe it. Here, I will go for taking the given equations as it is by addition-subtraction method. Here, please write with me by addition-subtraction method. It is nothing but A's method. It is 99x plus 101y. It is equal to 499. It is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Then let us go for adding them first. How much it is? Right. This is 200x. This is 200y. What about this? 501, 499. It is 1000. Here all are the multiples of 200. Hence divide both sides by 200. It will be x plus y. This is equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. You may call it as equation 1. Got it? Next. Then we shall go for subtracting them. Have written up to here? Let's start writing from there. Again you go for taking the same equations. 99x plus 101y, which is equal to 499. Then 101x plus 99y, which is equal to 501. Go for changing the sign. This is minus, minus, minus. 99x minus 101y. Oh, minus 101x. This is minus 2x. Right? Then this is plus 2y. What about this? This is minus 2. Now here the common multiples are 2. Hence you can go for dividing both sides by. You may go for taking either plus 2 or minus 2. However you want. Minus 2 I have taken. Then it will be x and this will 2y by minus 2. Get cancelled. Minus y. Minus 2 by minus 2. 1. You may call it as second equation. To find out the value of x, which method you will go for following? It is elimination. Let me go for taking. Here I'll write by elimination method. Elimination method. It is x plus y, this is equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. These two get cancelled. It is 2x equal to 6. X equal to 3. Followed? Next we have to find out the value of y. How do you go for? Yes, by substituting x equal to 3 in any one of the two equations, I go for taking first one. I have written up to here. Yes, continue this. It is equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5, where x is 3 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 3, y equal to 2. Therefore, 3 comma 2 is the required solution. Clear? Hope that you have understood. Yes, please go for copy. Let's move on to third. See that. For what value of k, the following system of equations has a unique solution. Even it can be asked for infinitely many solutions and no solution. You must know the conditions for all the three. I'll go for taking the problems on all these three conditions. This is first one. For unique solution, the equations are x minus ky equal to 2, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5. Yes, please go for copying this. After that, you may start writing with me. Okay? Yes. Now, hope that you have written. Yes. Here, we have a condition for unique solution. What is that condition? It is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then, here we want a1, a2, b1 and b2. Hence, we will go for writing the given equations in standard form. X minus ky minus 2 equal to 0. Then, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Let us write the coefficients. a1 is 1, a2 is minus k, and a3 is, b1, and this is c1. Next, here a2 is 3, b2 is 2, and c2 is 5. Next, for unique solution, we have a condition. What is that? It is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Written up. Substitute. What is a1? a1 is 1, a2 is 3. Then b1 is minus k and b2 is 2. Cross multiply. You will get 2 by 3 is not equal to minus k. This can also be written as k is not equal to minus 2 by 3. It means except the value of k minus 2 by 3, for remaining other values, it has unique solution. Clear? So conclusion. Therefore, the given system of equations has unique solution except the value of k, which is not equal to minus 2 by 3. Written? Okay. Now we are moving to fourth one. Remaining two more types of. What are these? One is infinitely many solution and another one is no solution. I will go for taking the questions one by one. Dear students, go through this one. This time I have taken one question with respect to infinitely many solutions. So find the value of k for which the following equations has infinitely many solutions. It is k minus 1 into x plus 3y equal to 7. K plus 1 into x plus 6y equal to 5k minus 1. Clear? Yes. Please go for writing this. Then after writing, start writing with me. Let's go for finding the solution. Yes, first we have to write them in standard form. K minus 1 into x plus 3y, transfer 7 to the left hand side, becomes minus 7. Then k plus 1 into x plus 6y, it is minus of 5k minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can write the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1 and c2. Write with me. a1 is, it is k minus 1. b1 is, it is 3. c1 is minus 7. a2 is k plus 1. b2 is 6. c2 is minus of 5k minus 1. Next, for infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Yes. What is the condition? You are right. All the three ratios are equal. Start writing with me. It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Substitute. It is k minus 1 by k plus 1, 3 by 6, it is minus 7 by minus of 5k minus 1. Better now? Yes. Then how do you go for finding k value? You may equate first and second or first and third. You may equate second and third, second and first. Clear? I will go for taking on equating first and second. First and second. It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Nothing but k minus 1 by k plus 1 equal to 3 by 6. Then k minus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Go for cross multiplication. Here 2k minus 2. Here k plus 1 into 1. It is k plus 1. 2k transfer k to the left hand side minus k. 1 transfer minus 2 to the right hand side plus 2. It is k equal to 3. Followed? Next, on equating second and third. Second and third. See that it is 3 by 6 which is equal to minus 7 by 5k minus 1. Minus half. Here 1 by 2. Here minus minus get cancelled. 7 by 5k minus 1. Cross multiply. 5k minus 1 into k. 1 is 5k minus 1 which is equal to 2 sevens are. It is 14. Then 5k is equal to 14. Transfer minus 1 to the right hand side. Becomes plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. It is k equal to 3. Clear? So we can write the conclusion that, so for k equal to 3, the given equations have infinitely many solutions. Right? Here are the given system of equations has infinitely many solutions if k equal to 3. Yes, I hope that you do not have any doubt. See, first one it was with respect to unique. Next one, many solutions. Now third one is no solution. Yes, I'll move on to third. Go through this third one. For what value of k the following system of equations has no solution? These are the two equations. See that. Here we have no solution. We have a condition for this. It is, what it is? You can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Right? So let us go for writing the given equations in standard form. Before that, you should pause the video and should copy. After copying, please write it. It is x plus 2y transfer 3 to the left hand side minus 3 equal to 0. It is k minus 1 into x plus k plus 1 into y, it is minus of k plus 2, which is equal to 0. Then let us go for writing all the coefficients. It is a1 equal to 1, then b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 3. a2 equal to k minus 1, b2 equal to k plus 1 and c2 equal to minus of k plus 2. Hope that you have written. Now let me write for no solution. Write this condition. Hope that you have written. Now substitute. What is a1? 1. a2 k minus 1 equal to b1 2 by k plus 1 is not equal to c1 minus 3 by minus of k plus 2. Over. Yes. Now here you have to go for all the three possibilities. What are those? First and second, second and third, and first and third. These are the three ratios which are to be equated. First, second and third. Here I'll write. On equating first and second. Alright, please write with me. 1 by k minus 1 equal to 2 by k plus 1. Cross multiply. It is k plus 1. Here cross multiply. K minus 1 with 2. 2k minus 2. Then here 1 transfer. Minus 2 to the left hand side becomes plus 2. This is equal to 2k minus k. It is 3 equal to k. K equal to 3. Next. Similarly, on equating, please write with me. This time we are going to take second and third. Second and third. It will be, second one is 2 by k plus 1 is not equal to minus 3 by minus of k plus 2. Got it? Their minus and minus get cancelled and you will go for cross multiply. 2 into k, 2k, 2 2s are 4, which is not equal to, here 3 into k, 3k plus 3 1s are 3. Next, 4, transfer 3 to the left hand side. Minus 3 not equal to 3k minus 2k. Then 4 minus 3 is 1 is not equal to k. K is not equal to 1. That means the given system of equations has no solution if k equal to 3 and k is not equal to 1. We have one more possibilities. What is that? This time I am going to equate first and third. Here I will write. On equating first and third. First ratio is 1 by k minus 1. And third one is minus 3 by minus of k plus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. Here it is not equal. Go for cross multiplication. K plus 2 into 1. It is k plus 2 is not equal to 3 into k minus 1. It is 3k minus 3. Then 2 transfer minus 3 to the left hand side becomes plus 3 is not equal to 3k. Transfer k to the right hand side minus k. It is 5 is not equal to 2k. Then k is not equal to 5 by 2. Followed? Yes. Now, observe it. From all the three cases, we can come to know that the given system of equations has no solution if k equal to 3, if k is not equal to 1 and k is not equal to 5 by 2. So, I will write the conclusion. Write with me. Therefore, the given system of equations has no solution if k equal to 3, k is not equal to 1 and k is not equal to 5 by 2. Hope that you have understood. Even you might have written with me. If it is so, we can go for next one. If not, just go for copying this. Dear students, please go through this. It was given in the examination. The same question. See, solve the following system of equations by the method of cross multiplication. Here, we have already followed this method, but in that method, the coefficients were numerals. But here you can observe that coefficients are the letters like variables. And you just copy this. After copying, start writing with me. Then, if you are copied, write. First, if you want to follow the cross multiplication method, you have to write both the equations in standard form. Then how do you go for writing? Here you can come to know that the terms are in fraction, right? Hence, first we shall go for UV method. Let u is equal to, that is, or else 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Then how do you write? This is au minus bv, which is equal to 0. And this is, it is ab square u plus a square b v is equal to a square plus b square. Clear? And you can take this to the left hand side. It is minus of a square plus b square, which is equal to 0. Now we have written the given equations in standard form. Now let us go for writing all the coefficients. The coefficients are, it is, here coefficients are, here it is a, this is minus b, and c term, no, you can call it as 0. Then here a2, it is ab square, then b2 a square b, and c2 minus of a square plus b square. Here I write by cross multiplication method. How do you write? Just you can recall, you used to write like this: x equal to minus y by, it is equal to 1 by. But here we have taken substitution for 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Hence here I write it is u by 4 terms, 1, 2, minus 1, 2. Next here minus v whole divided by, it is first term, second term, minus third and fourth. Here constant 1 by first and second, minus third and fourth. Now let us go for that. First u. See that these are the coefficients of u. Leave them and write remaining. Minus b, it is, here I'll write minus b of minus of a square plus b square. It is minus a square minus b square. Here I'll write minus a square minus b square minus, then cross multiply, a square into b into 0. A square into b into 0. Clear? Next, v term. Leave the coefficients of v, take remaining. A into, it is, here I'll write a into minus of a square plus b square. That means minus a square minus b square. Next, a b square into 0. A b square into 0. Next, constant 1 by remaining. A into a square b, a into a square b. Next, minus ab square into minus b. A b square into minus b. Clear? Now let's go for simplify. U by, please start, you have to write with me. Multiply minus b into minus a square plus a square b. Minus into minus plus b square minus a square b into 0, it is 0, is equal to minus v by, that's right, a into minus a square minus a cube, a into minus ab square, sorry, a into minus b square minus ab square minus ab square into 0, it is 0. It is equal to 1 by a into a square b, it is a cube b. Then minus into minus plus a into b square into b, a b cube. Got it? Yes. This can be written as u by just a square b plus b square is equal to minus v by, it is minus a cube minus a b square. It is equal to 1 by a cube b plus a b cube. Clear? Now we have to find out u and v. Hence we shall go for equating u term to the constant, then v term to the constant. Here I write. On equating, what are those? First and third. It is u by a square b plus b square, which is equal to 1 by a cube b plus ab cube. And another one, v term minus v by minus a cube minus ab square, which is equal to 1 by a cube b plus ab cube. Yes. Now there is small correction here. See that minus b into minus b square, it is minus b cube, and this will be b cube, and this should be b cube. Yes. Now let us go for finding u. U is equal to a square b plus b cube. Here I will go for taking a as common factor. A into, see that a square b plus b cube. Now a square b plus b cube, a square b plus b cube get cancelled. U is equal to 1 by a. Similarly here, let's go for taking minus. Minus v is equal to minus a cube minus ab square by a cube b plus ab cube. Here in the numerator, I will go for taking minus as common factor. It is a cube plus ab square divided by, here I will take a as common factor, sorry, b as common factor. B into, it is a cube plus ab square. These two get cancelled, you will get minus, here minus minus get cancelled, v is equal to 1 by b. Right. Now here I will go for continuing. U is equal to 1 by a. What is u? We have assumed u equal to 1 by x and v is 1 by y. U is 1 by x is equal to 1 by a. X equal to a. V is 1 by b, where v is 1 by y, it is equal to 1 by b, y is equal to d. Therefore, the solution is x equal to a and y equal to b. Yes. Hope that you have understood. Go for copying. Please go through this statement. So far we have solved the numerical problems. Now we are moving to some of the statement problems. First we shall convert them into equations. Then we will want to solving. Observe. First they have given the sum of the two numbers is 18 and the sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 4. Find the numbers. Do you know these numbers? They are unknown. Yeah, copying this statement, please go on writing with me. Here, listen, let the two numbers be x and y. See, first they are given sum of two numbers. It is 18. This is the first case. Case 1. Sum of two numbers. First number is x, second number is y. Their sum x plus y equal to 18. You may call it as equation 1. Then case 2. What is that case 2? It is sum of their reciprocals of the numbers is 1 by 4. Hence we can write it is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. See, reciprocal of x is 1 by x, reciprocal of y is 1 by y, and their sum is 1 by 4. Then how do you go for solving? Here you can notice that here in one equation the terms are in fraction, but in another equation the terms are not in fraction. How do you go for? Therefore, we will go for simplifying this. How do you simplify this? It is xy, then you will get y plus x is equal to 1 by 4. Then cross multiply, it will be 4x plus 4y is equal to xy. Now you tell how do you go for solving this? Do you find it difficult to solve? No. Then what method can be followed? Just observe here, y plus x is there, nothing but x plus y. But what is x plus y? 18. So instead of following this step, can we go for taking substitution? Yes, you are right. Where x plus y is 18, then by xy is equal to 1 by 4. Then cross multiply. This will be xy is equal to 18 4s are. This is 72. 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. You may call it as equation 2. Now you tell how do you go for solving? Yes. To solve that, I go for taking the first equation. The first equation is, it is x plus y is equal to 18. To find out the value of x, we need to take substitution for y. To find out y, we need to take substitution for x. Here I'll write y is equal to 18 minus x. You may call it as equation 3. See, 3 has been formed from 1, hence it should be substituted in 2. Here I'll write substitute equation 3 in 2. Are you writing with me? Yes. Then equation 2 is xy equal to 72, where y is 18 minus x, which is equal to 72. Now multiply. It is 18x minus x square equal to 72. Take all the terms to the right hand side. Becomes x square becomes minus 18x plus 72. Did you understand? These two terms are taken on the right hand side. Here left hand side it becomes 0. Then we have interchanged both LHS and RHS. Now we will go for solving this. How? By splitting the middle term. 72. Then middle term is minus 18. How do you get? 12 6 are 72. 12 plus 6 18. But we want minus 18. Hence I will take like this. It is x square minus 12x minus 6x plus 72 equal to 0. Then x into x minus 12 minus 6 into x minus 12 equal to 0. Then x minus 12 into x minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 12 equal to 0 and x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 12 and x equal to 6. X may be 12 or x may be 6. Then we want y value. So substitute x equal to 12 in any one of the two equations. I'll go for taking first one. Then x plus y is equal to 18. Then x is 12 plus y is x plus y equal to 18. Then y is equal to 18 minus 12. Y is equal to it is 6. Clear? Here I'll write when x is taken as 12. Similarly, when another possibility x is 6, then substitute x equal to 6 in 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 18, 6 plus y equal to 18, y is equal to 12. Followed? So when x is 12, y is 6. When x is 6, y is 12. Therefore, the solution is either 12, 6 or 6, 12. Clear? Yes. Please copy. Dear students, please go through this statement. It is very important in the examination point of view and is also simple. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 km away in time, obviously it has to increase the speed. But how much? By 250 km per hour from the usual speed. Then find its usual speed. Did you understand? Yeah. Now, you go for pausing the video, you will go for copying this. After copying, you should keep on writing with me. Yes. Hope that you might have finished. I'll write first data. Here, there are two situations. One, if it goes with the usual speed and it takes some time, but due to some problem, it leaves the platform from 30 minutes late. Hence, it has to increase its speed. So we do not know what is that increased speed, right? And even usual speed. Let us go for assuming both of them. Right here. Let the usual speed of plane. Please write with me. This is, call it as x kilometer per hour. Similarly, the increased speed of the plane, that's equal to y kilometer per hour. And we know that this increased speed is 250 kilometer by 250 kilometer per hour. That means increased speed y is equal to whatever the usual speed is there, that is x. More than that, it is 250 kilometer per hour. Hence, we can write y equal to x plus 250. This is the first case. Okay, let us write that later. And what is the total distance it has to cover? Yes, total distance, it is 1500 kilometer. Clear? Hope that you have written up to here. Now I will go for taking case 1. Here I will write, in order to reach the destination 1500 km away in time, it has to increase the speed by 250 km per hour. Here I will write, when the plane increases its speed by 250 km per hour than the usual speed. Hence we can write increased speed y is equal to x plus 250. Then this can be rewritten as x minus y. See, x is here only, y is right hand side, that's equal to, take 250, it is minus 250. You may call it as equation 1. Now let's move on to case 2. What is that case 2? See, a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 km, it has to increase the speed by 250 km from the usual speed. Here 30 minutes. Now it has to balance 30 minutes. How? So it has to as it has left 30 minutes later, it has to reach the destination 30 minutes early. Hence, we should write the time taken by the plane in usual speed and also increased speed. That difference is 30 minutes. Let us go for finding that. Here I'll write, when the plane left 30 minutes later. Yes. Here I'll go for writing there. Here I'll write that time taken when speed is increased. When speed is increased, it is equal to 30 minutes less than the scheduled time, right? Time taken when the usual speed, yes, this is, it should be followed. Time taken when speed is increased. See, this is with respect to speed formula only. What is speed formula? We know that it is speed is equal to distance by time. But we want time here, and time is equal to distance by speed. Now, what is the distance to be covered? It is 1500 kilometer. See that. First, time taken when the speed is increased. 1500 divided by the speed. Increased speed is how much? It is x plus 250. You can write it as y. Increased speed y. It is equal to time taken with the usual speed. 1500 by time for usual speed. How much time has been taken? 1500 by its speed. This is x minus 30 minutes. 30 minutes can be written as 30 by 60 r here because time is in r. Now this can be rewritten as 1500 divided by y is equal to 1500 divided by x minus 1 by 2. Here now let us go for writing in standard form. 1500 by x, transfer this, minus 1500 by y, transfer this. It is 1 by 2. Hope that you have understood. Observe the first and second equation. Now let us go for solving that. How do you solve? It is just like previous problem. Here I'll write 1500 by x minus, here in one equation the terms are not in fraction, but here is in fraction. Hence I go for taking substitution for y because we know that y is x plus 50, x plus 250. It is equal to 1 by 2. Take the LCM, x into x plus 250. Cross multiply 1500 into x plus 250 minus 1500 x. It is equal to 1 by 2. Multiply 1500 x plus 1500 into 250. It is 0, 0, 0. 25 5s are 125, 12. 25 ones are 25 plus 12, it is 37 minus 1500 x by multiply this x into x, x square plus 250 x equal to 1 by 2. These to get cancelled. Now cross multiply. It is x square, here I'll write, this is x square plus 250 cross multiplication 3,75,000 into 2, here 0 0 0 as it is. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Clear? This can be written as x square plus 250x minus 7,50,000 is equal to 0. Now let us go for solving this. How do you solve? By splitting the middle term. See that x square, it is 7,50,000 minus 7,50,000, and it should be split up, and when you simplify you should get 250x. How do you go for that? It is 1000 into 750. Is it okay? Observe it. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 0. 75 also 75. And here let us go for minus 750, because 1000 minus 750 is equal to 250. X square plus 1000x minus 750x minus 7,50,000 is equal to 0. Now here common factor, x into x plus 1000 minus 750 into x plus 1000 is equal to 0. X plus 1000 into x minus 750 equal to 0. X plus 1000 is equal to 0 and x minus 750 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 1000 and x equal to 750. But we want, they have asked you to find out usual speed. What is the usual speed? It is x. The speed may be, it is 750, because speed cannot be negative. So we know that speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the usual speed of plane is 750 kilometer per hour. Got it? Yes, please go for copy. Yes, dear students, still we have plenty of problems. We shall go for solving those problems in the revision classes. Okay? I think these many problems in additionals is enough. So with this, the chapter has been completed thoroughly, and from next class onwards we can focus on science. Okay, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.